Okay, this is how we say it in Sweden. Ragnar skål.
Ragnar skål. Today it's all about the Ragnar. It's a legendary cocktail here in Sweden, but it's a new year, it's a new Ragnar. So we're gonna upgrade it to a Ragnar 2.0 and we're gonna be making it with Absolut Wildberri. We have the legend.
A true legend.
The myth.
I don't think so much people know that it's me.
The man.
Then we need some vodka.
Right here in the studio with us.
I wanna make a twist on this one. It can make my summer night perfect.
I'm AJ. This is Absolute Drinks with AJ. Let's get into it.
Sure, let's rock and roll.
Welcome in, Andersson! Welcome, welcome. Are you thirsty?
Thirsty? Yeah. Yes, please.
What do you prefer to drink?
Sockerdricka.
Sockerdricka. Okay, you know what you want? Inform us, teach us. What is a Ragnar?
It started with current Absolut vodka, and then we added some sugar, soda, Sockerdricka, and then just fresh squeezed lemon. That's it.
Easy peasy.
Ragnar is from the first, almost the first flavored Absolut vodka, the Absolut Kurant.
Good flavor, good flavor.
I was drinking vodka bitter lemon, and I was tired on it. I asked the bartender, I said, can I have the new stuff, Absolut Kurant? And he poured it up, and I said, we gotta have something very neutral. Don't take away the flavor from the Kurant.
True.
So I told him, take Sockerdricka.
Sockerdricka.
Sockerdricka. Still, something was missing. So I said, we're gonna have some sour on it. I asked the bartender, give me 2 lemons. So I squeezed the lemon in the drink. I said, here we go, baby.
The glory has been created.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, yeah.
Describe the original Ragnar with only 3 words.
Happy.
Happy.
Funny.
Funny.
Crazy.
That's good words. Tasting the Ragnar is like...
Going to party.
There we go. That's the Ragnar for you. So I've heard that people all around the world, they know about this drink. Did you go around and promote it?
I was drinking it. I moved on, up to Åre, a ski resort. I had a restaurant up there. We served the drink. People who worked up in Åre took it down to Stockholm. They went to Mallorca. They went to Sydney, whatever, New York. Like a rumor, it was going around the world.
But you know what? The best things are spread word by mouth. If it's good, it's good. It's gonna get out there.
Yeah.
What has that meant to you? How proud are you?
I don't think so much people know that it's me.
You're just you created him and you let him go.
I made it for me to drink. So it was like that, so not for famousy.
I mean, you're famous now.
Yeah, soon, maybe.
So what would you think if someone ordered Ragnar today? Because now it's 2023 and it ain't the 90s no more.
Ja, vilken jävla 90-talare.
Sockerdricka.
Sockerdricka.
What is sockerdricka?
Typical Swedish sugar soda.
Sugar soda.
Yeah.
Nothing can go wrong.
It's very neutral.
It's very neutral. It's sweet.
Sweet.
But still the freshness of the bubbles.
Yes.
I think we should have an American taste it. Do we have Elise in here? Elise! There you go. Please have a little seat here. My little lovely talk show.
Welcome. Nice.
It's a legend.
It's an honor.
Nice.
Truly, it's my honor.
Thank you.
You're in luck. So you're gonna have a little flavor taste. We will get very offended if you don't like it.
This is delicious.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's kind of like a cream soda, like we would find in the States, but lighter, thinner, not so sweet. But I'm excited to try the blue from the man, the myth, the legend.
And we're gonna get into it right now.
Sure. Let's rock and roll.
Let's go. You know what? I don't want to enjoy this moment all by myself. Rico! Elise!
I'm very excited about this.
Welcome.
A true legend.
Are you a little starstruck? I feel like you're sweating a little bit over there.
That's just me.
And we're gonna do the original recipe with this one.
Oof.
Ooh.
I'm intrigued.
Start with some ice.
So,
Then we need some vodka.
Yeah, we do.
the star of the show. And I'm not talking about Rico.
I ain't no star no more.
4 ml? 40 ml. This is how we made it in the 90s.
Take me back, baby.
Then we take some squeezed lemon, just a sip. And then we have the Sockerdricka.
I'm really hyped about this.
It looks like you've done it like it should be. But we need fresh lemon.
There we go.
Let us cut some. Here you go.
Couldn't have done that.
Use my fingers. Maybe we should stir it a little bit.
It almost makes me think about subscribing to the channel. If you don't subscribe to the channel, you're getting no more Ragnars. You get me, fam?
The world first Ragnar 2.0, okay?
You heard it here.
This is how we say it in Sweden. Skål.
Skål!
Ragnar skål.
Ragnar school.
Ragnar skål. Ooh!
Hallelujah.
Oh, you know, it throws me back to the 90s. I want to be there. I want to party. I want to look like a little 90s baby.
I think I have an idea.
Tell
I
us.
want to make a twist on this one. So we need some space.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Watch out, watch out. This looks amazing.
We need some vodka, we need some sugar, we need some raspberries, we need some lime,
Yeah.
and we need some lemon lime soda. Cut up some lime.
Okay, we're just chopping it up.
I put some raspberries in, then I put some sugar in it.
Oh, it's powdered sugar, right?
Yes,
Oh, nice.
exactly.
If I have simple syrup at home, can I use that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay, that's good.
This is just a simple, easy way to do it.
There we go.
Do a little like this.
Give it a little muddle.
Then we put some vodka, 40 ml, then we put it in. Maybe we should put it in a shaker.
Okay, some ice.
Ice? Yes, please.
There we go. Just a little shake.
Here we go, baby.
Get it in there.
Then we have some lemon lime soda. This was not the best spoon.
There is a little spoon up there.
Oh, sorry.
Why go little spoon when you can be the big spoon?
Exactly. Here we go. Now it's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
I love that we have the chunks in here. I love the color of it. It's out there, it's bold.
You want to try?
Brutal honesty.
Okay.
Okay. I like it.
It can make my summer night perfect. Yeah.
Hit after hit after hit.
Thought you were a one-hit wonder, but you keep on giving.
I really enjoy the Wildberri with the raspberries. I've played around with it with strawberry and blackberry, so it's nice to sort of really dive into that blend of berries.
Any berry is a good berry. But I'm thinking like the Ragnar 2.0 is like the baseline, and then we just go crazy.
So, you folks out there, go crazy.
You know what this reminds me of? The subscribe button. We can all make our own version of a Ragnar. And if you do, please hashtag it, Absolute Drinks. And you might end up on absolutedrinks.com. That was very deep. I'm feeling a little sweaty. That was too deep.
Very good drink. Good drink.
Ska vi köra om den?